The 2015 Kia Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, heated seats, keyless entry, remote start, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless ignition, iPod adapter, fog lights, heated steering wheel, power windows, rear window defroster, heated front seats, trip computer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.